Bro, saan tayo dadalhin nito? No? Baka may jumpscare animation. Naglalakad ba? Oh. Do we need to make a run for it? And bro, what's with the axe? That's not good though. Okay. Sige, come on. Okay, saan tayo ngayon? Huh? You need to listen. Okay, we need to listen daw. Saan? Try again. So, do we need to follow the sound? What does the sign means? Okay. Bumalik lang tayo.